Hi there, students. Callous and callous. Notice there are two different spellings. We could have callously, calloused, callousness. But notice all of those added words are with O-U-S. Let's see. Callous, C-A-L-L-U-S. This is a hardened piece of skin, normally on your hand or your feet, caused by repeated rubbing. If you dig all day with a spade, on the first day you're going to have blisters on your hands. But over time, a hard, tough piece of skin will form there, and it's quite insensitive and it doesn't hurt. But that's US. You can also use OUS, the OUS spelling, to mean this. But most normally, callous, OUS, talks about emotionally hardened, emotionally insensitive, not empathizing with the feelings of other people, emotionally insensitive. He's very callous about the suffering of others. He is indifferent and unfeeling, callous to the feelings of others. The soldier callously killed the women and children in the village. The landlord callously evicted the old lady from her house. So without feeling, without understanding that this might be a really difficult situation for her. The refugees were callously returned to their own country. Cold-blooded, hardened, uncaring, hard-hearted, soulless, unfeeling, without compassion. Okay? So really the piece of skin, the callous, talks about your mind and your feelings have become callous. You've become unfeeling emotionally. The skinheads callously beat up the old man. The employer showed callous disregard for the safety of his workers. If you become inured to something bad, you will have a callous attitude to it. His callousness was apparent when he dealt with the children. So, normally US the skin and OUS it can be the skin, but it talks about an emotional attitude, a lack of feeling or emotion. If you have to make difficult decisions, it's much easier to do it if you're a callous person. Okay, so a callous person, not a very nice person. Yeah, they don't empathize with other people. They don't suffer much when they do something really hard. They do it without feeling, without even thinking, perhaps. So callous, hard skin, callous with an O, hard mind. Okay, what about formality? I think the callous on the skin, this is technical, and you could use it informally as well as formally. I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10, but it describes a particular condition. Callous emotionally, I'd probably give 6.5, maybe even 7 in formality. I think I might use callous in an informal conversation, but I think more normally hard-hearted, unfeeling, unemotional, soulless, something like that. I think those would be better for an informal conversation. Notice as well, to callous, O-U-S, can be a verb to form a callus on your hand or on your feet as well. And then the origin, this comes from Latin, callosus, hard-skinned. Well, we even say in English somebody's got a thick skin. They're not affected by criticism or unpleasant things, or they're not affected very much. Okay? So, be empathic with other people. Don't be callous. Because if you work all day with your hands, you're going to get calluses on your hands eventually. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Callous.